All right, so anyway, I just got this. And what's cool about it is you can grab it by this, and it travels very easy. On top here is the, so this fits right in here like that. You can just, it's not easy to pull out, man, I gotta tell you. You see that? You gotta kind of really work it out of there, but yeah, it works. And it's a heater, right? So here's all the controls on top, same controls on this. But what's cool here is, look at this. And then to get out of there, you just go like that. All right, now we're gonna plug her in over here. You follow me? I'm just gonna plug it in. Because you gotta plug it in if you wanna use it, right? Oops. All right, it's on. Let's come on back and check it out. Okay, so there we go. So on top, of course, is, you know, the start button. Just press that and it starts. And it's going already. All right, so anyway, here it is. And let's check it out. We're gonna go ahead with the manual controls first. I press this, bam, Bob's your uncle, we're on. We're on fan 3, all right? So if I wanna go to a lower fan, I would hit the negative sign, and it drops. If I hit it again, it goes right back to fan 3. If I wanna go temperature, I go here, all right? Heat 5, but let's just go to manual. Now I'm at 75. If I wanna go up, I hit this. If I wanna go down, I hit this. Right? If I want it to swing, I hit that. If I want to stop it, I hit it. So it stops and then it starts, watch. All right, same thing. Now if we go on here, it's exactly the same thing. If I go here, it goes down. If I go here, it goes up. So plus and minus, it goes up or down. Over here is your mode. I can go back to the fan, right? I can go to the heat set on the timing, or I can go just manual heat. I can do the swing here, stop it, start it, right? And yeah, that's basically it. If I want to turn it off, I hit that. But now you'll still see this there. I got to do it one more time to get it completely off. And then it comes back on. So boom, 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 boom. And Bob is your uncle. Now, if I want to completely get off, I just go like that. Oh, no matter what, I guess that's gonna shine no matter what. All right, so it's easy to move, right? I just pick it up by this little handle back here. So like if I wanna pick it up, I just go like this. Look, I can move it around. I also have a nifty spot in here to put my remote control. So this is the back of it. So it just slides in there like that. And basically that's it right there, bam. Now if you're done with it, you could just unplug her, right? And then you just wrap this. Here, let me show you. I just wrap this around for storage. You know, because I'm going to use this when it's cold. It ain't cold today. It's like 90 degrees in Florida. And now I can just go ahead and store this thing. Just like that. And bam. Bob is your uncle. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.